try this again since last time my mic was on. Alright, so here's the part that I painted of the mouse. This used to be black. This is for the Razer Viper. But I'm not happy with the results. Granted, I don't know if I did something wrong or didn't do something first. This is the color it's supposed to be. Clearly, this is a matte finish opposed to a shiny finish. I'm not sure what I did wrong there. So if anyone knows, let me know in the comments below. But so now I have, because I asked this company called Custom Cans, that's what they call it, Custom Cans, as seen here, what I needed to do to get the metallic look on the mount, and they told me to buy this first, metallic base silver coat, and then after that dries and all that, to put on their candy emerald coat, which should be a metallic look. So on the Razer Viper V2, that's what we're going to be doing. I'm just wearing a 2K clear coat, which is a car clear coat with the activator in it that you hit the top of it and it activates it and you shake it. Because before I made the mistake of using a soft clear coat, which scratches so easily, and the finish wasn't really that great. Opposed to this hard clear coat, which will be like professional grade. And then on the other mouse that I have here, which I'm using as a backup mouse, my Razer Viper 8K, we won't be spray painting the rubber parts. But all the plastic parts we will be spraying with this after we put the, if I have enough paint, where is it? With this metallic. We'll spray it with this, and then we'll put this on there and just compare the two paints. Because this is what I originally painted with, and I wasn't happy with the color. It was more teal than it was emerald. And I was learning how to do everything, so yeah, player signing out.
Hey, you. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. If you like the content on this channel, please subscribe. Otherwise, leave a comment on what I can do to improve. Okay, bye.